In this video, I'll show you how to export a Microsoft OneNote notebook, whether you need a full backup or just a single page or section. To export an entire notebook, open the OneNote desktop app and sign in with your Microsoft account. Make sure the notebook you want is stored in your personal OneDrive, since full notebook export is supported there. Click the notebook so it's active, then go to File and choose Export. In the Export Current section, select Notebook. For the format, choose OneNote package if you want a complete backup or plan to move the notebook to another OneNote installation. This keeps all sections and pages intact. Choose a save location and let the export finish. Large notebooks can take a little time, so keep OneNote open until it's done. If you only need part of your notes, you can export a page or a section instead. Go to File, then Export, and choose Page or Section. Pick a format based on your goal. PDF works best for a read-only copy. Word works if you want to edit the content, and OneNote package is useful if you want to import it back into OneNote later. Choose a save location and confirm. You can also right-click a section tab and select Export for a faster workflow. After exporting, open the file to make sure everything looks right and give it a clear name so you can find it later. Saving backups to an external drive or a trusted cloud folder is a smart habit. And that's it. You now know how to export your OneNote content quickly and safely.